Hello, today I'm going to show you how to replace or how to remove and of course how to install a new blade on your OneBlade Radar. This is a real cool device which comes with an electronic motor, but it is nearly so sharp and it will be remove your hairs nearly as an razor blade. That's really cool because this is a nice construct, as you can see. The blade is in the center of the blade holding system, and underneath there is a rotation part of it which can be rotate the blade in such a nearly distance to your skin that it is so good to remove like a fresh shaved with a razor blade. So take the Phillips OneBlade into your hand, remove the cover, and then it's really easy because there is only one lever you can see, and this lever is yellow and there is a triangle on it. That means you have to push it upward. While you push it upward, the blade is going on that it will be released from the body. Easy going, as you can see. And now you have it in your hand. Now let's reattach this for another one. You push and hold the blade in your hand and it will not fly away, as you can see. But if you does not perform this by another support with another hand, it will fly away a little bit. But this is a cool feature, isn't it? Oh yeah. So to install a new blade, you will see there are areas which you can penetrate with the blade linings into it, and it matches only in one direction, as you can see. And if you find that location, you can push it into position and the new blade is installed. Really easy, as you can see. But you can make more with the blades because there are additional parts with it. And these additional parts, you can install a blade too, or you can install on the blade this additional cams, for example. This is easy because it is only slipped in position. Okay, you can remove it and you can attach it by simply glide into it. You can see I can pull it out easily by grabbing it with my fingers and rotating it a little bit, and then it will be get in position or it comes out of the position. So you can easily use one blade for a lot of gams out there or additional attachments. So you can use your razor blade in standalone, or you attach additional parts onto it to make for example, for your beard or for other areas on your body which not comes directly in contact with the blade. And so we can remove the blade easily and we can install a new blade easily too. That's really cool. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.